Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use SD card as internal storage on your Android phone. So if your internal storage already full and you have a slot of your external storage, for example, if you want to use SD card as your storage, as your secondary storage, you can try to install like a data software application into it. So in order to install application or any games that you want into external storage or SSD or like SD card, you can try to enable the option via developer via developer mode first. So in order to activate developer mode, developer option, you can try to go to the settings. You can scroll down and tap about phone. Here you can try to search your build number. So you can tap repeatedly your Android build number until the message pop up that you are on developer mode or developer option is on. You can scroll down, you can close the about phone, then you can tap additional setting or advanced settings. Here you can tap developer option and developer option now enabled. Now you can scroll down and try to search this one. At the bottom you can find force allow apps on external storage. You can switch on, makes any app eligible to be written to external storage regardless of manifest values. So let's repeat. You can try to activate developer option via about phone on your settings. Here you can try to find build number, tap repeatedly your build number until a message pop up, notification pop up that said developer option is on or you are on developer mode. After that you can tap advanced setting or additional settings that you can find developer option. Now developer option is enabled. You can try to scroll down and try to find the force, usually at the bottom. Here we go. The force allow apps on external storage. You can switch this on. So you can make any app eligible to be written to the external storage regardless of manifest values. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click this button below. See you in the next video.